Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera, kids. Today we are going to learn about heat and temperature. So these are the objectives that you have to achieve for today's lesson. Let's learn the meaning of heat. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy that is transferred due to the difference in temperature. And what is the meaning of temperature? It is the degree of hotness or coldness of a material. The standard unit for temperature is degrees Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Degrees Celsius are used by most countries including Malaysia, while degree Fahrenheit are used in some countries including the United States of America. The standard tools to measure temperature are called thermometer. There are many types of thermometer such as clinical thermometer, digital thermometer, infrared thermometer, laboratory thermometer, and room thermometer. There are two types of substances used in thermometer. They are mercury and alcohol. Mercury is silver in color and is actually a type of metal, but it is liquid in room temperature. And for alcohol, it is red in color. These substances are suitable to be used in thermometer because they are sensitive to heat and they expand and contract uniformly. The liquid in the thermometer will expand or contract when exposed to different surrounding temperature. When the temperature decreases, the liquid level in the thermometer falls as the liquid contracts. But when the temperature increases, the liquid level in the thermometer rises as the liquid expands. Now let's see how to use the thermometer correctly. First of all, place a beaker filled with water on a flat surface, permukaan yang rata. Then hold the upper part of the thermometer upright, secara menegak. Then immerse atau rendamkan the thermometer into the beaker. Ensure that the bulb of the thermometer does not touch the bottom surface of the beaker. Then, when the liquid level in the thermometer remains constant, adjust the position of the eye to the meniscus of the thermometer to obtain the reading. What is meniscus? Meniscus level is the curved level of the liquid in the glass tube of a thermometer, as shown in the picture here. This is the meniscus of alcohol. It is on the lower curved level. But the meniscus for mercury is on the upper part of the curved level. This is because mercury is naturally curved upwards, as shown in the picture here. To obtain the accurate temperature reading using a laboratory thermometer with alcohol liquid, you cannot position your eyes too high or too low. But the position of your eyes must be leveled to the level of the meniscus. And it's also the same if you use the laboratory thermometer with mercury liquid. The position of your eyes must also be leveled to the level of the meniscus. Now let's learn about the changes in the water temperature. Before that, you have to know that the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Ice will melt and turn into water in room temperature higher than 0 degrees Celsius. Can you tell why? It is because ice receives heat from its surrounding. Water temperature also rises when being heated. Do you know why? Yes, it is because water receives heat when it is being heated. And if the time the water being heated increases, the water temperature increases. And water temperature also drops when heating is stopped. Let me explain more about that. It is because hot objects, including hot water, will become cold when it loses heat. Example, a hot coffee will also become cold after a while when it sits in room temperature. Heat flows from the hot coffee to the spoon and also to its surrounding. The spoon will become hot, but the coffee will become cold. This is because heat will flow from hotter to colder area around it. Eventually, the temperature of the coffee will be similar with its surrounding temperature. So please remember that when things or objects gain heat, it will get hot, its temperature will increase, and it will expand. We will learn more about this in the next lesson. And please remember that when things or objects lose heat, it will become cold. Its temperature will decrease and it will shrink. Okay kids, that's all. Thank you for watching this video.